Hey guys, so is Bitcoin and crypto finally dead? So here is basically the reason why we are dumping, and we will most likely keep dumping until the April 2nd, because that's when the Trump will actually announce that all of the tariffs. Maybe there will be many backlash from other countries, and they will basically put the counter tariffs for USA. So what happened in the last 12 hours is Trump basically said, I'm angry and pissed off at Putin, Iran. If they don't make a deal, there will be a bombing, and it will be bombing the likes of which they have never seen before. And the Trump team weighs broader and higher tariffs worldwide. So this is basically crazy, and I think this is one of the reasons is Trump actually wants for Federal Reserve to cut rates, and these dumps, these panics could actually make it happen. Maybe April 2nd will be the worst day because he will actually put tariffs, and he will announce new tariffs, and these will basically make everyone panic, as it already does. Now, if you are comparing Bitcoin to gold, gold has been going up since like the last year. I mean, this year. So here you can see we have a new record for gold. And the most impressive thing about this huge gain is that market cap for gold is $21.1 trillion. Bitcoin is, if we look at Bitcoin is at 1.6. So basically gold is 20 trillion more. So if Bitcoin goes 10x right now, it will be at around 16 trillion, and the price will be at around 800,000. So we would still not be basically close to gold's market cap. So I think there is a really high chance that Bitcoin will easily go higher because institutions are buying. There are talks about buying 2 billion, 1 billion. So institutions are already in and buying. Countries not so much, but this will change dramatically, I think, this year. And the next thing I want to show you is here you can basically see another thing that Trump said the tariffs will commence with all countries this week and see what happens. That's why he said this is the one of the biggest, basically, Liberation Day, April 2nd. And here you can see 20% plus tariffs coming on up to 25 plus countries, which is crazy. This will change the whole macroeconomics. And I hope that we will dump lower. The stock market will dump. So again, Federal Reserve has to make a basically a new meeting, emergency meeting, and cut rates by 1 or 2%, which would be insane. It would make Bitcoin go insanely high. How the whole crypto market would experience a new bull market. This is what I'm following right now. So this is basically the global liquidity. And here you can see that April, the first week of April, which will start tomorrow, will be this downturn. So we could see, and it would make sense that we will go lower for Bitcoin. So this would be the 72,000 mark. And let's see what happens. We could go like few weeks just straight stagnation at around 70 to 75,000 per Bitcoin. I wouldn't be surprised, and I would buy at these prices. It would be really bullish. And I think here you can see this basically was the crypto all-time high, and here you can see global liquidity started to go down, and that's why we went down from 110,000. But global liquidity is already going up, and soon we will see a new all-time highs. This could mean that the whole summer could make Bitcoin really bullish, and this could be one of the rare summers where the crypto and stock market is actually pumping. It will be quite weird because retail is usually taking breaks and taking vacations in summer. But I am hoping for a great summer. I will be working my ass off if we have a bullish summer. What I am holding, I'm holding these meme coins. Dogging me because we had the Coinbase announcement that it is listed on their portfolio, which means that it will be listed on Coinbase soon. I don't know about the soon part, but I still think if it is listed on Coinbase, and it will be, it could go up by 10x right now because it is only 53 million. Toshi went to 900 million. So if this does 10x, it is only 500 million market cap. Base God will be, I think, most likely be listed on Coinbase as well. They actually announced KeyCat is also on and basically confirmed that this will be on the Coinbase. That's why here you can see it basically pumped here, went up and pumped here. I think the announcement was made right here. And here you can see, obviously, some insiders knew about this. So yeah, the one Solana meme coin I'm buying and holding is Fog because I bought it at 0.6. So basically all-time high in the last 7 days. If you're looking at the all-time high in the last year, it went 0.7. So if it goes back, it is basically 20x from now. And that's basically the main news. Bitcoin is not dying. It will experience a huge dump because the stock market and the panic will basically come in. Basically most likely at April 2nd when the Trump announces the Liberation Day for USA. And yeah, he's just making deals. The deals will keep going on for the next few months. But yeah, he wants to make as much money for USA as possible with the Doge team. And I think at the end of the day, this will be really bullish because after the panics, there are such a big rallies for stock market, for crypto. And if basically there is nothing that can bail out or bring back the stock market, the Federal Reserve will how to print money. They will how to cut rates to stimulate the global markets because when there are lower rates, there is basically a big incentive for taking out loans, taking out money, and pumping the whole system with liquidity. That's how liquidity basically comes in the system. And this will be really bullish for Bitcoin. For risk assets, gold would go much higher, maybe even to 4,000. Bitcoin would go 250,000 in my opinion. And I think this will be the biggest bull run because after this huge dump, there will be only good news for crypto as it goes up. Trump will most likely announce some strategic reserves. States of USA will announce, as they are already doing, preparing to create the strategic reserves for states, separate states. That's why, yeah, this will be a short-term dump that nobody will basically remember. Yeah, that's why I am personally buying at these prices. This is basically not a financial advice. If you want to basically follow the latest alpha that I'm posting daily, you can basically follow my Patreon. The link is in the description. And this is only $10 a month, but I'm posting every day. As soon as I see something popping on, some alpha, NFT whitelist, crypto airdrops, I'm posting on Patreon as soon as possible. That's why if you don't want to miss latest alpha, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.